Welcome back to the channel. It's a World Earthquake Update. We're heading over to the beautiful country of New Zealand in the continent of Oceania, where north of the country they experienced a 6.3 magnitude earthquake. Now, this earthquake occurred on August 5th at 7:43 p.m. New Zealand time, and the epicenter is 33.8 degrees south and 169.5 degrees east with a depth of 140 miles, which is an intermediate focal depth, meaning the energy was released 140 miles under the ocean floor. Now, this occurred in the South Pacific Ocean, north of New Zealand, and south of the Kermadec Islands, an archipelago in the middle between New Zealand and Tonga in the Pacific Ocean. Now, tectonically, this earthquake is one of many that have occurred over the past year and multiple years because it is involved with the Pacific Ring of Fire, an extremely active, both volcanic and seismically active area of the planet. In this case, you have the Pacific Plate subducting underneath the indo-australian plate, two major plates forming an ocean-to-ocean convergent plate boundary. And this occurs along the Kermadec Trench, about 32,000 foot trench, for about 600 miles between New Zealand and Tonga. And this earthquake occurred in what's called the Have Trough or Back Arc Basin, caused by the subduction of the Pacific Plate. And on either side are two ridges. On the east side is the Kermadec Ridge, on the west side is the Colville Ridge. And along this ridge, you have the Kermadec Arc, which is a line of submerged or emergent volcanic islands caused by subduction and melting of the subducting slab, in this case, the Pacific. Now, as you can see from this USGS image showing the historic epicenters and magnitudes of previous earthquakes along this trench and caused by this convergent plate boundary, you see that our epicenter is part of thousands of earthquakes along this plate boundary. Majority of them to the east will be shallow and white. The darker grays, the deeper ones, are more to the west, showing the direction of subduction. Recently, we had a 6.1 in February of 2026, a 6.9 in 2023, and an 8.1 in 2021 in the same area as this 6.3 epicenter.